How to earn money at Fiverr. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to earn money at Fiverr. Earning money at Fiverr is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Identify your skills. Determine what service you can offer. Fiverr has a wide range of categories like writing, graphic designing, editing videos, voiceover work and more. Set up gigs. Create gigs that describes the service you offer. Include a clear and detailed description and relevant tags. Set your pricing. Fiverr allows you to create different packages with the different price and offerings. Optimize your gigs. Use relevant keyword in your gigs title, description and tags to improve your visibility on Fiverr's search result. Provide excellent customer service. Communicate promptly with buyers and deliver high quality work within the agreed time frame. And that's how you can earn money at Fiverr. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.